Are you ready for Horror Nights?
Absolutely not.
I'm so excited. We're gonna do Insidious first because it's supposed to be the scariest one they've ever had. We'll see.
I need a coffee first.
I need a coffee, yeah.
Or cocktail.
I'm tired. Although Josh forgot his ID, so we'll see how that goes.
I'll try it.
Into Starbucks at Universal. He saw my birthday badge, asked if I like birthday cake, and hold on.
It's a cake bowl.
And he gave me a cake pop.
You're welcome. That was
It's so cute. It wasn't from you, it was free. I think he thought that Josh was a boyfriend that wasn't treating me right or something.
Anything for the message. It's about to rain as well.
It's not. Don't say that. Horror Nights time! Ah! It's starting to rain. It's chucking.
It looks like it's supposed to rain.
His eyes glow. This is too cool. This queue is crazy. Was that thunder? Oh no. This is the queue for Insidious already is mental, and it's what, 4 o'clock.
There's a 90% chance it's currently raining.
You come to Horror Nights and you want to see the Hogwarts Express. House number 1.
My hair.
I have glitter everywhere. My makeup has gone everywhere. The rain was awful. We've been standing outside for God knows how long, but Insidious. I'll take the lead on it. What did you think?
It's just shit.
Oh my god, the jump scares were everywhere. Me and Josh just went through just like I need to breathe. I've screamed the whole way through. So we did Ghostbusters. Way less scary. Way less scary than Insidious.
The props now were like really detailed.
There was one bit where it was
scare.
snowing. Yeah, it wasn't really scary. There was some cool characters. I wouldn't put it up there as one of the top, even though we've only done 2 so far.
Yeah.
And now we're going to Triplets of Terror. Also, didn't realise the scare actors were out and about on the street. Someone just freaked me out. I thought it was a crazy person. Triplets of Terror. Creepy. Not as scary as Insidious.
Very like serial killer vibes.
Creepy. I did look down when I heard a dog bark, so I don't know what happened there, but I got told to look down because it's disturbing.
The dog was...
Did you look?
Yeah.
Was it bad?
Yeah. Dog cut in half. And...
Oh, no. I looked down at that point. But yeah, no, they're quite creepy triplets. Okay, Candy Factory, 4th house complete, or whatever it's called, sweets, something. I was dancing at the end of it. It wasn't that scary. A few jump scares.
It was okay.
It was okay. I think we started off with Insidious, which freaked us out, and then since then, like, that was scary.
You're just fine.
Oh! where they follow you. That's number 5 complete. What's it called?
Yeah, Eternal Bloodlines.
Eternal Bloodlines.
It's basically like Wolfman, Dracula, Frankenstein's Bride.
It was cool. I like the theming. But again, it's not Insidious.
It's my second favourite.
Yeah.
So far.
Yeah. Oh. Pizza fries. Are we ready to enter another zone? The fog. Oh. Did not know she was behind me. Did you know she was behind me? Just do a heart.
I think so.
So tell me they nice. I don't like those. You see it coming and it's still flipping frightens you. I don't know who's real and who's not anymore. Oh no. Oh, there are actors hanging around. I was gonna say. Can't see. Please help! Oh,
I thought you were so genuine.
I know! This is the trouble with this. Sometimes you don't know if they're... That's extremely disturbing. What's happening over there? Oh!
Oh my god. I'm really so hungry next to you.
Tired. We just come from Monstrous
Las Americas.
It was quite good, and if you don't want a spoiler, then don't listen. But at the end, when I thought I was free, I was not, and that's when I screamed. Sometimes.
Yeah. The end bit for me was like, oh shit, okay.
Yeah.
And I technically wasn't even inside the maze.
No.
It was just like,
no. That's what's scary about it.
yeah.
I think
I
we're
had about
gonna
a
do.
second wind of life, and I'm like, let's go.
We're gonna do a quiet place. If I can stay awake for a 90-minute queue.
Right.